Hogseye Sound TV coming back at you. So just wanted to show you guys something on my 74. You guys seen in the video a while ago and everything. My new interior kit that came in. This is a long time ago already, but I never showed it inside the car on the 74 at all. But it's kind of, this is what it looks like. Let me back the camera up here so you guys can see. But this is the whole brand new kit, front bench and all that with the, these, it's already done interior, you don't have to have it all stitched up and all that stuff. If you guys know, on the 74 or from 71 all the way to 76, these are actually, they have hog rings, but on this back seat here, it's just, there's a piece of board back there where a lot of the trim around that actually holds the interior, it actually just clips right into the particle board that's on the back of the seat. And on this you have to use the hog rings, but on that back seat, it's only hog rings down here on the bottom seat, on the bottom part. So I just wanted to show you guys the whole entire interior kit. I only showed it to you standing up and everything, but this is what it looks like for the car. Just have to put it in, take off the old and replace it with the new stuff. So that's pretty much it. Just want to show you guys what it looked like on the 74 with the new interior kit that I haven't installed yet. I've already had it for about a year and a half already, and it's still sitting in the boxes, but I just wanted to actually see what it looks like on the car. Just so. Hogseye Sound TV, I'll talk to you guys later. Like I said, it's just the 74. I just wanted to see what it looks like inside the car. Let you guys see what it looks like in there too. It's not installed. We got the original stuff here. So, Hogseye Sound TV, talk to you guys later.